Come on, give me lights, camera, action. Oh, that's where everything happens. Lights, camera, action.
And with that, the cameras, the phones, and the tablets got rolling as students from high schools across the island got to producing their first television commercial. It was all as a result of the Junior Achievement Jamaica Marketing Maven Commercialize Your Business competition.
The Marketing Maven competition is one aspect of one of our education programs we offer at the high school level, where students between 9th and 12th grade are engaged in learning about starting and operating a small business during the course of the school year. So the competition has been integrated into the overall program as a means of giving students the opportunity to really engage in the marketing, as the title suggests, of their product that they develop as a part of their company.
So for the competition, students were tasked with the challenge of developing up to a 60-second commercial focused on what their product was about and their target market.
We decided on a commercial because we wanted to really have them to take the opportunity to get really creative in thinking about, okay, I came up with this product idea as a part of the program. I'm developing my company. I know who I want my target market to be, but does that necessarily mean that they're going to buy it? How, what creative methods can I incorporate to really get people interested in my product?
So, just how creative were they? Not bad at all for high schoolers. Top 3 commercials were Mayday High in 3rd place with their Bebida Energetica, Convent of Mercy Alpha Academy in 2nd with their Fabric Craze cushions, and the winner, the Rusty's High School in Hanover with Twinklets.
In light of the increasing demand for electrical power and the costly nature of imported oil, which has resulted in high electricity bills, and the growing concern for our environment globally, our company decided to focus our commercial on sustainable development and energy conservation through our energy-efficient products, Twinklets.
We learned how to use the Adobe After Effects software and other technology, which enabled us to create what we wanted. We also learned that when marketing a product, there are various elements to consider as it relates to using the most effective medium to reach our target market. And also, teamwork makes our dream work.
Judging was done by a team from Junior Achievement Jamaica, assisted by representatives from the Jamaica Information Service. Several factors went into deciding the winning ad.
They targeted a sector that many Jamaicans are challenged with, which is energy conservation. So when you see the product now and their idea of how you can find simple ways of achieving that, it was very interesting.
The competition has not only rewarded students, but has undeniably taught critical marketing and video production skills to these youngsters.
Not only do students get to learn the theoretical aspects of business, they also get to put into practice what they learn. They learn about marketing strategies and types of advertisements. During the Junior Achievement Program and the Marketing Maven specifically, they get to see everything come alive. So not only are we teaching them to own their economic success, we're also teaching them skills and tools that will help them to be worthwhile citizens in a global business environment.
We are Racine High School, winners of the Junior Achievement Marketing Maven competition. Our motto is, Labor a Million Win Kids. Keep watching Jamaica Magazine. Woo!